This is a demo for point-of-sale system. First we need to log in order to use the application. You may use your registered username and password. This software is equipped with various features such as fire options, system user, customer management menu, product menu, product inventory menu, transaction inquiry menu, reports menu, daily transactions menu, PMS maintenance, and system housekeeping.
Let's begin with the system user function. In order to register a user account, you need to fill the required fields. In user type section you can choose clerk, cashier, encoder, inventory management or the administrator and select status to active so the user can log into the system or inactive if you want to block the user account and unable to log into the system. And click Save button. Now that the user is registered, click Search button and look for the user you registered. You can input keyword only to search specific user. And click Print if you want to print user. Info or empty the search box and click Print if you want to print all user registered to the system. If you want to update user account, just double-click the specific user and edit current information and click Save to automatically update the user account. If you want to permanently delete the user account, just select the specific user account and click the Delete button and select Yes to confirm.
As you can see, the user now is no longer available.
Let's register again the user account and let's take a look for an active status. You can see that the user is unable to log into the system because of the inactive status, so let's change it to active so the user can log into the system. You can see that the user now will be able to use the system.
Let's jump first to the product menu and register the product information. Now let's register first the product sub-information such as product category, unit of measurement and product distributor. Click product category. As you can see, we have existing category. In order to register product category, just type in the description your desired category and click Save button or hit enter on your keyboard. Your category now will be listed. If you want to update the category, just double-click the specific category and change it if you like and click Save or hit enter on your keyboard, and now your category is now updated. And if you want to delete your category, just double-click the specific category and click the Delete button. And now let's proceed to the product unit of measurement. There are also existing unit of measurement. If you want to register new measurement, just put to the description and hit enter or click Save button. If you want to update, just double-click specific measurement and edit and click Save, or if you want to delete it, just double-click the specific measurement and click the Delete button. In product distributor, if you want to register product distributor, just provide the distributor name and click Save. If you want to update product distributor, click the search button and double-click the product distributor you want to update and change it, then click Save button to update the data. Now if you want to delete the product distributor, just click the search button and select the specific distributor and click the delete button to permanently delete the product distributor.
Let's now proceed to the product master. In product code field, just scan the barcode of the product. If you have barcode scanner, or manually type if you don't have one. Provide the product description. Remarks is optional. Check the points included if you want that product to have equivalent points in every purchase of your valued customer. In distributor field, hit enter select the distributor of that product. Enable to calculate your profit of that product, provide the cost price or the original price of your product and hit enter so that the system will calculate your selling price based on your desired markup. In this example, out markup is 10%. The formula of your selling price is calculated as your cost price plus the 10% of it is now your selling price. In tax method, you can select if your product is tax inclusive, tax exclusive or non-taxable. In unit field, this lists all your registered unit of measurement earlier. Just select the unit of that product and also the category. And if you want that product to be included to the inventory, select yes or no if you don't want to include it to inventory. Set the date expired. If you know the quantity of that product, just put it or leave it blank if you don't. Click Save button to save, and now your product is registered. If you want to update the product, just hit the enter on your keyboard, but make sure you empty the product code first. And then select the product you want to update and hit enter on your keyboard and change the product information if necessary. Then click Save to update. Now in pricing options, if you want your product to have price options, select product first. In this example, we select the speed blue bar and we want to have the price per cut of this product. So then click the pricing options, and provide product option description and also the price of it and click Save. If you want to update the product options, just double click in the list and change it if necessary, then click Save. Or if you want to delete it, just double click the specific product option and click the delete button. So that includes about product information. Now let's proceed to product master list. If you want to view all the products registered, just click the view. This displays the product ID, product category, measurement, description, cost price, selling price and date expired. Now as you can see, we have more 16,000 registered products on the system. You can click the print button if you want to print this record. You can also set the product category. And also the product description if you want a specific product information only. Then click print button if you want to print the product. Let's proceed to expired products function. This function monitors the product expiration. Set the time frame and click the view button, and there you go. This lists all the product corresponding to their expiration date, and click print if you want to print this record. And now, the product expiration function. This button will be enabled if there is a product expired on date. This will remain disabled if there is no product expired on this day. And this includes the product menu feature. See you on the next demo.